guys, it's Dr. Sally with Lap of Love, and this is my best girl, Sam. We're going for a walk in our neighborhood, and we'd like you to come so we can talk to you about something important. Come on, let's go. We love walking out here. We walk by this awesome little reservoir, I guess you can call it. Lots of turtles and ducks and wildlife for her to watch. She loves it. And one thing that we don't love so much about it, especially right now as the summer is upon us, is the mosquitoes. Unfortunately, we are starting to get some bites, and I thought, well, no better time to remind everybody to have their dogs on heartworm prevention. It is a preventative that protects our dogs against infection of heartworm disease. Now, why are mosquitoes so important? Why am I talking about mosquitoes? Well, mosquitoes are what transmit heartworm disease to our dogs. So when they bite a dog, they inject the baby heartworm under the skin. And then, unfortunately, that parasite will grow in the circulatory system of our dogs over about 6 months, becoming an adult worm that will ultimately live in our dog's heart, actually in the heart muscle, which is absolutely crazy. I mean, that's the definition of a parasite, right? So some people have been asking and questioning, well, my dog is 14 years old. We've been on heartworm prevention every month of our lives. My dog's really a very senior dog now. She's not a 2-year-old anymore. Do I have to keep my dog on heartworm prevention? And the answer is ideally, yes, absolutely. And there's a reason behind that. There's logic behind that. Number one, no dog is going to be immune to heartworms. Even dogs that have been infected with heartworm disease and treated for it, which is not easy, by the way, they can still get reinfected with heartworms all over again. If an infected mosquito bites them, they can still go through that disease all over again, which is such a shame. But our dogs don't build up immunity to this. This is a risk their entire lives. Additionally, we need to consider that our senior dogs may be more fragile than our younger dogs. And so they need protection just as much as the youngers, for the sake of our senior dogs may have chronic health diseases like chronic mild liver disease or chronic mild kidney disease, or even inflammatory bowel disease. Or maybe they have developed a little heart murmur in their senior years. Adding a parasitic infection like heartworm disease to that list of health issues in a senior dog is not ideal. So even more reason to really consider protecting your senior pets. I would urge you guys, whether you have a puppy or a senior companion, make sure that heartworm prevention is up to date. Make sure it's given every month or whenever your vet instructs you to give it, depending on the product you're using. And if you do have concerns about your senior dog being on, medications and heartworm prevention, talk to your vet about that. Have an honest and frank conversation. And there may be some suggestions for alternative products that maybe don't have to be given as often or as frequently, but most vets will still tell you to keep your senior pets on a heartworm prevention. So I hope this answers some questions. I hope it encourages everybody to check with their vets about their monthly heartworm prevention, and get out, enjoy the summer, protect yourself and your pets against parasites, and let us know if you have questions or concerns. Let us know if there's other questions that we can answer for you. Thanks so much, guys. Bye-bye.